Good morning, everyone. Today is Tech Tip Tuesday, and today I'm going to share with you something called wheelofnames.com. I thought this was really cool, and it can be very quick. If you have a list of your students' names, you can actually just copy and paste them right into here, and you click to spin, and it actually picks, a student for you. Or you can do a couple other things. So something I want to show you is I'm going to show you how you can insert pictures because now you can add images. I have sent images to my email of Miss Cappy's class. They just happen to be in here. And I'm going in and I'm downloading all of them. And they're all going to be in my downloads folder. I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm going to go back to the Wheel of Names. And I'm going to clear this. I'm going to delete what's here, and I'm going to go to Add Image. And I'm going to go to my downloads, and you'll see that all of those images I just added are right there. So I'm going to go, and I'm going to select all of those images that I added today, because I know I didn't add any other. And I'm going to open them. And look at that. Now all of their pictures are in there. So now, when I spin, it's going to pop up with their picture. I just thought that was super cute. One thing I don't like is I can actually go in and change the color for every background. I don't like how it's gray. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to change each color by just, all you do is click on Advanced, and you go in and see you have to change each color. That's kind of a pain, but it's still cool. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to press you on pause, and then I'm going to do that and come back and show you what it looks like. So basically what you do is you click on the tablet of the color tablet, and you drag, or you can use the Doppler and pick a very specific color. Click off of it, and it changes the color. I'm going to do mine in the colors of my media center. So you can now see they're starting to change. All right, so now you can see that I have changed all the colors to purple, green, white, and black. Those are somewhat of my colors in the media center. And if you wanted to add a picture, let's say you needed 2 of them for whatever reason, you want him to be called on more, you can duplicate it. You can add an extra image or a different one, or you can remove it from right here. You can eliminate them from the wheel. So like if they're absent, you could take them off. When you spin the wheel, you just click on the middle, and it's going to choose a student. It takes a minute or two. When their name pops up, you can choose to remove them or hide them so they won't get called on again. All right, I think this is really cool. I can share this, so I'm going to go, I can save it too. It will save right in with my Google. Hit save. And now I can share it. So I'm going to hit continue. That's what I named it. And then now I have a link. So it says unused links will be deleted after 365 days. So now I'm going to go and share this with Miss Cappy. If you would like help creating your own, I would be more than happy to help you, but you need to take the pictures. All right, guys, hope you like this. I know it's a little bit longer than normal, but I thought this was neat.